Training hard, exploring the present perfect in MMA. In the world of mixed martial arts, MMA, fighters must dedicate countless hours to training in order to reach the top of their game. One tense that is commonly used to discuss past actions with present relevance is the present perfect. The present perfect is formed by using have or has, followed by the past participle of the verb. In this essay, we will explore how the present perfect is used in the context of MMA training. Fighters in MMA have trained for years to develop their skills and techniques. For example, Khabib Nurmagomedov, one of the greatest fighters in MMA history, has trained in wrestling since he was a young boy. This means that his training began in the past and has continued up to the present, leading to his success in the sport. Many fighters have also sparred with top-level opponents to sharpen their skills. Conor McGregor, for instance, has sparred with professional boxers to improve his striking ability. This experience has helped him become a more well-rounded fighter in the MMA world. In addition, fighters have faced challenges and setbacks during their training. Anderson Silva, a former UFC middleweight champion, has suffered injuries in the past, but has always bounced back stronger. These experiences have shaped his fighting style and have made him a more resilient competitor. Furthermore, fighters have also used various training methods to improve their physical conditioning. For instance, Joanna Jedrzejczyk, a former UFC strawweight champion, has incorporated running and strength training into her routine. This has allowed her to perform at a high level during her fights. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is widely used in MMA to discuss past training experiences that have a direct impact on a fighter's present performance.